Have you ever wondered what the true purpose of a seatbelt is? Well, you're in luck. Here we have some fun facts and statistics about seatbelts and its function. It's a well-known fact that seatbelts save lives, but have you ever wondered what would happen if they were not to? Well, statistically, people who have ignored the importance of seatbelts met a tragic consequence for their actions. About 47% of people have lost their lives due to careless driving. Behind all this, there's basic physics applied. They are known as Newton's three laws of motion. They play an important role when it comes to motion. The first law states that an object at rest remains at rest and an object in motion remains in motion, with the same speed and direction. When a car hits a wall, it would keep moving in a straight line and at a constant speed until something applies a force. The second law of Newton states that the force causes an object to accelerate. The acceleration of the object is equal to the net force acting on it divided by the object's mass, meaning that mass and acceleration will be a major factor when it comes to a car accident. Finally, the third law of Newton states for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, so when two objects interact, they apply forces to each other of equal magnitude and opposite direction. This in fact will play a major factor when it comes to a car collision with another car. In other words, the cars would receive equal amounts of damage. You may be wondering how these laws apply to a passenger. Well, by the direction and force applied to the car, the passenger would be launched out of the car if they are not wearing a seatbelt. The laws of Newton play a major role when it comes to car accidents and collisions. We can identify all three laws. We can also see the outcomes and results of what would happen to an individual if he/she is not wearing a seatbelt. So make sure to wear a seatbelt when driving.